Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the Pixel 9a is ready. Charge above 20% and close background apps so the camera runs smoothly. Once done, open the camera app from the lock screen or app drawer. This gives the fastest launch. If permissions appear, allow location and storage so photos, save, and geotagging works. You should also toggle image stabilization in settings for steady shots. These initial steps get you shooting quickly and prevent common permission or battery interruptions before you frame your first photo. You now compose and pick the right mode for the scene. Tap the subject to lock focus, then drag the exposure slider to brighten or darken. That makes your image look intentional. Next, swipe modes: photo for everyday shots, portrait for depth, night for low light, and video for motion. Use HDR for balanced highlights and shadows, the 2x optical zoom for tighter framing, and the lenses menu to select ultra-wide or macro. Once composed, hold steady and press the shutter for best results. Finish by refining and saving. Review shots in gallery and use the edit tools to crop, adjust color, or apply portrait blur. This helps you polish the story. Make sure Google Photos backup is on to preserve originals, and export DNG if you need advanced edits. If something goes wrong, camera lag, frozen preview, or failed saves, restart the camera app, clear its cache in settings, or reboot your phone. Those steps fix most issues quickly. If problems persist, update system software and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.